First up, the Sealey VS872 Leak Detector Smoke Tool. This ingenious device helps pinpoint leaks in your vehicle's systems with ease. It generates safe, visible smoke that quickly reveals hidden cracks and breaches in intake manifolds, exhaust systems, and more. Forget guessing games. This tool provides precise diagnostics. It's a must-have for any serious mechanic, saving time and preventing costly repairs. The smoke is non-toxic, ensuring safety in your workspace. Simply connect, ignite, and watch the smoke find the faults. This tool streamlines troubleshooting, making it a vital addition to any garage. It's robust, reliable, and designed for professional use. Next, we have the Ken Tool Professional Lug Nut Cover Remover. This tool eliminates the frustration of stubborn lug nut covers. Designed for durability, it provides a secure grip, preventing damage to both the cover and the wheel. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended periods. The specialized design fits various lug nut cover sizes, making it versatile. This tool saves time and effort, ensuring efficient wheel maintenance. It's a professional-grade solution for a common problem. The heavy-duty construction withstands frequent use in demanding environments. Keep your wheels looking pristine with this essential tool. No more damaged covers or scratched wheels. Moving on, the Tiger Tool 15201 Tapered Torque Rod Puller is a game-changer for heavy-duty vehicle maintenance. This tool simplifies the removal of tapered torque rods, a notoriously difficult task. Its robust design ensures a secure and powerful pull, preventing damage to surrounding components. The tool's precision engineering allows for efficient and safe operation. It saves significant time and effort, reducing downtime for heavy-duty vehicles. Designed for professional use, it withstands the rigors of demanding work environments. This puller is an essential tool for truck and bus maintenance. It's a reliable solution for tackling tough suspension work. Invest in this tool for unparalleled performance. Illuminate your workspace with the SCANGRIP Line Light 2-post. This powerful work light provides bright, uniform illumination, eliminating shadows and enhancing visibility. Its dual-post design allows for flexible positioning, ensuring light where you need it most. The durable construction withstands harsh garage environments. With adjustable light output, you can tailor the brightness to your task. It's perfect for detailed work, from engine repairs to bodywork. The long-lasting LED technology ensures energy efficiency and reliability. The light's compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Improve your work quality with this essential lighting solution. This is a must-have for any professional garage. Take your garage to the next level with the REMA-MASCHINEN AG 1-Post Lift Mobile with Electric Release SF M2500ES. This mobile lift provides exceptional versatility and convenience. Its electric release mechanism ensures smooth and effortless operation. The compact design allows for easy maneuverability and storage. With a 2,500 kg lifting capacity, it handles a wide range of vehicles. The single-post design maximizes workspace, making it ideal for tight garages. This lift is perfect for routine maintenance and repairs. The robust construction guarantees safety and reliability. Increase your efficiency and productivity with this professional-grade lift. It's a valuable investment for any serious mechanic. The Draper Tools Induction Heat Tool 808008 is a revolutionary tool for loosening seized bolts and nuts. This induction heating technology provides rapid and precise heating, minimizing damage to surrounding components. It eliminates the need for open flames, enhancing safety in the garage. The tool's compact design allows for easy access in tight spaces. With adjustable power settings, you can control the heat intensity for various applications. It's perfect for automotive, industrial, and agricultural repairs. Save time and effort with this efficient heating solution. The kit includes various coils for versatile use. This tool is a must-have for any professional mechanic. Keep your tools organized and within reach with the Sealey AP201 mobile workstation. This robust workstation provides ample storage space for all your tools and equipment. Its durable construction withstands the demands of a busy garage. The lockable drawers and compartments ensure security and organization. The heavy-duty casters allow for easy mobility around the workshop. The integrated work surface provides a convenient area for tasks. It's perfect for mechanics, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Improve your efficiency and productivity with this essential workstation. This mobile workstation keeps all the tools you need close by. It is a great addition to any garage. Glide effortlessly under vehicles with the Magic Creeper. This innovative creeper eliminates the need for wheels, allowing for smooth movement on any surface. Its low-profile design provides easy access to tight spaces. The durable material is resistant to oil and chemicals, ensuring long-lasting use. It's lightweight and easy to store, saving valuable garage space. The ergonomic design provides comfortable support for extended use. This creeper is perfect for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Improve your comfort and efficiency with this unique tool. It makes working under vehicles significantly easier. It's a must-have for any garage. Achieve precise wheel alignment with the Texa Laser Examiner. This advanced diagnostic tool provides accurate measurements for camber, caster, and toe. Its laser technology ensures precise and reliable results. The user-friendly interface simplifies the alignment process. It's perfect for professional mechanics and tire shops. The tool's robust construction withstands the demands of a busy workshop. Improve your vehicle's handling and tire life with this essential tool. Save time and effort with this efficient alignment solution. This tool is a great investment for any serious shop. Be prepared for any roadside emergency with the Ken Tool Stow and Go 4-Way HD Lug Wrench 35636. This versatile lug wrench provides 4 different socket sizes for various lug nuts. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability and reliability. The compact design allows for easy storage in your vehicle. It's perfect for changing tires quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and leverage. This tool is a must-have for any driver. Ensure your safety and preparedness with this essential tool. This tool will make changing tires a breeze. Lift your vehicle safely and efficiently with the Sealey CLM2252 portable car lift. This portable lift provides a 2.25-ton lifting capacity. Its compact design allows for easy storage and transportation. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and reliable lifting. It's perfect for home garages and mobile mechanics. The adjustable lifting arms provide versatility for various vehicle types. The safety locking mechanism ensures secure lifting. Improve your workflow with this essential car lift. This lift is a great investment for any mechanic. Install bearings with precision using the bearing fitting tool Betex IMPACT 3339. This tool ensures proper bearing installation, preventing damage and premature failure. Its impact-resistant design provides durability and reliability. The set includes various impact rings for different bearing sizes. It's perfect for automotive, industrial, and agricultural applications. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and control. Save time and effort with this efficient bearing installation tool. Ensure the longevity of your bearings with this essential tool. This tool is a must-have for any professional shop. Repair tires quickly and efficiently with the Matco TR45 kit. 45-piece tire repair tool kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for tire repairs. Its high-quality tools ensure reliable and long-lasting repairs. The compact carrying case provides easy storage and transportation. It's perfect for roadside emergencies and garage repairs. The kit includes plugs, patches, and tools for various tire sizes. Save money and time with this essential tire repair kit. Be prepared for any flat tire situation. This kit is a must for any vehicle owner. Power your pneumatic tools with the Schneider airsystems REM-168 WOF air compressor. This reliable compressor delivers consistent air pressure for a wide range of applications. Its robust design ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The compact size makes it easy to store and move around the garage. With a powerful motor and efficient air delivery, it handles demanding tasks with ease. It's perfect for powering air tools, spray guns, and more. The integrated pressure gauge and regulator allow for precise control. Invest in this compressor for reliable and efficient air power. This is a great addition to any workshop. Keep your garage floor clean and safe with the magnetic sweeper with wheels. This powerful magnetic sweeper picks up metal debris, nails, and screws with ease. Its wide sweeping path covers a large area quickly. The heavy-duty wheels allow for smooth and effortless movement. The adjustable handle provides comfortable use. It's perfect for garages, workshops, and construction sites. Prevent flat tires and injuries with this essential tool. The strong magnet ensures thorough cleanup. This sweeper saves time and effort, keeping your workspace safe. It's a simple tool with a powerful impact. Simplify hose clamp maintenance with the BESITA tool, Hose Clamp Pliers. These pliers provide a secure grip and easy manipulation of various hose clamp types. The long reach and flexible cable allow access to hard-to-reach areas. The locking mechanism holds clamps open for easy installation and removal. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's perfect for automotive, plumbing, and general repairs. Save time and frustration with this essential tool. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable use. This tool is a must-have for any toolbox. Maintain aircraft oil filters with precision using the Bogert Aviation TALON oil filter tools. These tools provide a secure grip and prevent damage to oil filters. The adjustable design fits various filter sizes. Its durable construction withstands the demands of aviation maintenance. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and control. It's perfect for aircraft mechanics and aviation enthusiasts. Ensure proper oil filter maintenance with these essential tools. Save time and effort with these reliable tools. These tools are a must for any aviation maintenance shop. Streamline heavy vehicle brake maintenance with the BrakeMate 2.0. This system simplifies brake bleeding and fluid replacement. Its efficient design saves time and reduces waste. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to operate. It's perfect for truck and bus maintenance. The robust construction ensures durability and reliability. Improve your brake maintenance efficiency with this essential system. Ensure safe and reliable braking performance. This system is a valuable investment for any heavy vehicle shop. Capture and remove exhaust fumes with the ARI Hetra 650-103 interclamping exhaust nozzle. This nozzle provides a secure and efficient connection to vehicle exhaust pipes. Its adjustable design fits various exhaust pipe sizes. The durable construction withstands high temperatures and exhaust fumes. It's perfect